Mr. Brown can moo. Can you? Dr. Seuss Book of Wonderful Noises. Oh, the wonderful sounds Mr. Brown can do. He can sound like a cow. He can go moo, 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 ooh, moo, moo, moo. He can sound like a bee. Mr. Brown can buzz. How about you? Can you go buzz, 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 buzz? He can sound like a cork. Pop, pop, pop. He can sound like a horse feet. Clop, clop, clop. He can sound like a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo, 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 doodle-doo, doodle-doo. He can sound like an owl. Ooh, 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 ooh. Mr. Brown can do it. How Mr. Brown can do it? How about you? He can sound like the rain. Dibble, 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 dop. Dibble, 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 dop, dop, dop. He can sound like a clock. He can tick. He can talk. He can sound like a hand on a door. Knock, 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 knock. Mr. Brown can whisper, whisper, very soft, very high, like the soft, soft whisper of a butterfly. Maybe you can too. I think you ought to try. Oh, the wonderful sounds Mr. Brown can do. Why don't you try to do them too? Turn the page and let's review. Moo, 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 moo. Buzz, 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 buzz. Pop, pop. Clop, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Ho, hoo, 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 hoo. Dibble, 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 dop. Tick tock, knock, tick tock, knock, 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 knock. Boom, boom. Splat. Last day, whisper, whisper, and that is that. God loves you, God loves you. For I am not ashamed of this good news about Christ. It is the power of God at work, saving everyone who believes, the Jew first and also the Gentile. We are the Gentile. God loves you. A glad heart makes makes a happy face. A broken heart crushes the spirit. Those who are left will be the lowly and humble, for it is they who trust in the name of the Lord. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe. God loves you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day. I'll be praying for you. Please send me in your prayer requests. Bye-bye. Please like, share, and subscribe.